how to read the market easily with scalper's view. What is the logic behind the scalper's view? Just I will be explaining some logic which can make you to think in depth about what I am speaking. I'll explain you guys. First thing, I'll explain you about the option chain hidden details. If you are new to option chain, then don't confuse yourself. I will make it simple also, but what I want to convey is, have you noticed the data 7:30, after 7:30 p.m. the data will be different compared to 3:30 p.m. If yes, then I'll be telling some interesting facts. 3:30 up to 3:30 the data is there, am I right? But 7:30 the data will be changing, 7:30 p.m. or else 8:30 p.m. sometimes 8:30 p.m. That is because some datas are hidden to retail traders by big boys, but they cannot hide for the entire market. As per option, we are getting a delayed data. Data is not live in NSE website also. Okay, we are getting delayed data, one thing. And second thing, all data is not disclosed completely. But after 7:30, 8:30 p.m., originally what happened, that data will be coming to this option chain. So from this, what we are doing, what big boys are hiding from us after 7:30. So the difference between 7:30 p.m. and market closing 3:30 p.m. what is happening, what they are trying to hide, that is the point we need to be clear, that this is the information we required to make money in this market. So this is the one thing which we have bought in our scalper's view. Just check it what I am telling. If you want some more information, I'll be sharing you. Stay tuned. I'm not just speaking this topic a day before yesterday or a month. I'm talking this topic almost 2.5 years ago. I'll show you in my channel. If you come downside, yeah, this is where I have shared hidden truth about open interest. So it is almost 2.5 years. So guys, just to keep concentrating on this, I have made many interesting stuffs in open interest. So you just concentrate on the topic which I am speaking right now. Okay guys, just focus on this guys. I'm going to tell you something new to you. X is ourself a retail traders and Y is our broker. Okay, if we are buying one share, broker will reflect as 1. If you are selling one share, broker will reflect as 1 volume. Okay, am I right? So first time first volume, second time 1 volume, so the total volume is 2. Am I right? Okay. But in case of open interest, what is the formula is, if we are adding 1, so broker will reflect as 1. If we are clearing our existing position, that means we are booking profit, so what is the result is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. But in case of volume, it is 1 plus 1. Volume will keep on increasing, but OI will not be like that. If new position is added, then 1 will be coming. If existing position is clear, then that one will be cleared. Okay, so this is open interest. I know this is familiar for you, but what I want to tell you is there is a different concept for institutional traders. X, Y and Z. Same, X is institutional traders, Y is the broker, and Z is nothing but clearing member. Okay, for example, if an institutional is buying one share, so it will not immediately reflect as one. Why? Because this clearing member is not approving. Once they approved, then only it will be reflected as one. If clearing member, for example, I'm telling another example, if the institutional is winding up the position, if unless the Z is giving a permission that it is cleared, it will be keep on reflecting as one. This clearing member is there na, they can take up to 16 hours to clear. It is their wish. Okay, this is happening in US market also. So from this, what we have to do is something can be hidden with this clearing member. Am I right? So that is the reason we are having that data change between 7:30 and 3:30. Is it clear? Clearing member. Can you see here, guys? Clearing member eligibility norms. A net worth of at least 300 lakhs. Net worth requirement for CM. CM is nothing but clearing member. Who clears and settles only deals executed by him is 100 lakhs. So what I'm trying to tell you is, it is not necessary to join under scalpers view. I'm giving you a big thing. It is not a small thing. It is a big thing. So just try to get that difference. What is happening after 3:30 to 7:30? What data they are trying to hide from us? Just take that data. You will get the answer. This will be helpful for you guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Thank you so much.